GNPX announced that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has granted Fast Track designation, FTD, for the company lead drug candidate, REQORSA immunogene therapy. The treatment is for patients with histologically confirmed unresectable stage 3 or IV non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC. In the first quarter of 2022, GNPX expects to initiate its ACCLAIM-2 clinical trial, which is an open-label, multi-center phase 1/2 clinical trial evaluating REQORSA in combination with Keytruda. The company previously received its first FTD for REQORSA in combination with AstraZeneca plc Tagrisso in patients with histologically confirmed unresectable stage 3 or IV NSCLC. Fast Track designation provides a company opportunities to have more frequent engagement with the FDA to discuss the drug candidate development plan and also provides potential eligibility for priority review, which has a 6-month review timeline.